Good morning. Good morning. I think we're live here. All right. I don't even know where. I have not looked at the charts in a couple days now. Let's see what I can see real quick. Buy stop 12 hour. Oh, it's still going. Take any buy stop you can on all the indices. Looks like we're in a sell short term. Good. It's pulling back down. We're going to make some more money. There you go. Sell. Short term sell. Long term 12 hour buy. NAS to the 1 minute blue line. Oh, man, am I tired. Hope you all had a blessed weekend. Yeah, it's going to ricochet, come back up, flip back down to here. I wouldn't take a sell on anything, but if you were, I would do NAS and NQ1. They're going to hook and come back down. Then they're going to be forming a 10-minute buy stop. I love this. Yep, right here, 10-minute. Gorgeous. So after it's done going down here in a little bit, hopefully by the time, add an alert. There we go. Take profit here, and this is my favorite take profit this morning. 23,772.50 on NQ1. And then on NAS, these are my take profits for when it flips around. Probably at open. I don't know. Yeah, I would guess at open. I'll know a little bit more here as soon as I wake up and look at things. $23,735.48. My favorite take profit for NAS and NQ1 accordingly. I don't know if there's any news this morning. Obviously, I'm not trading it. All right, let me see if I can find some more stuff here. Okay, we're looking at a 30-minute. Yeah. Not quite. Let's go up to a 1 hour. Oh, it's even higher. 4 hour. 4 hour, 3 hour. US 30 is a 3 hour buy stop. US 30 is a 3 hour buy stop. Favorite take profit, $45,531.88. YM1 is also a 2 hour buy stop. Love the take profit of 45,607. Let's see where SPX is. Yeah, I didn't think it would be that high. SPX is going to be the same as NAS. 12 hour buy stop. SPX, it's got to dip down a little bit more, it looks like, or at least till open. Take profit 6,493. ES1. Nice. There'll be a couple here. We'll take some couple. Come on, computer. I had time for you this morning. Let's get over here and over here and over here. And let's find the safety trade. That's us. There we go. Hey, it looks pretty good on TikTok. Oh, sorry. Here we go. And 6,501.75 for ES1 is my favorite take profit. Yeah. And there you go. So you have a short-term sell on NAS and NQ1 towards the 1 minute blue line. Whether it hits or not is irrelevant. And then, hold on. And then if there's any news, it'll happen in a minute, and I don't care about it. And where the heck is mine? There it is. And let's go back here, and let's go back here, live. This live has ended. No, it hasn't. There we go. And there we go. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. I've just called out the 6 indices. You have a 1 minute sell towards the blue line for NAS and NQ1. And then you have a buy stop in place for 12 minute for ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS. And then you have a 2 hour buy stop in place for YM1, US 30. I never do sells. I only do buys. And I've never even been to the country. And there you go. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'm going to say that there was no news this morning. Only do the buys. All right, now, where am I at? I got to get everything else set up. I don't even know if I'm set up. Oh my gosh. I hope that was all going through. Are we live on YouTube? I see that we're live on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. God bless you all. Oh, yep. Looks like we're about there. Yep. Live trading. Today's the 8th, Monday, 9/8/2025. Good morning and God bless. Show more. Whoa. Robot clicking on. Naz hit his take profit. Naz. Look at Naz go. Be careful with this buy, though. Be very, very careful. You could enter the trade. You've already made money. I know that. You already made money. Just lock in your profits on this. Be very careful. I don't think it's done going down yet. So you could take 10, 5, 20, 30 pips, whatever that was. Probably about 10. You can close down your trade. Not every trade has to be a home run. Just chill, relax. Hell, any trade that's profitable. Oh, ES1 in the money too. ES1 in the money. ES1 in the money on the buy stop. NAS in the money on the buy stop. Today is the 8th. I'm not even done setting things up. Damn. Oh. ES1 in the money. Oh, let's go down to 5 second here. Hold on. Oh, look at that. We have crossing NAS 10 second. Oh, NAS to the 50. Oh, we are in some money. 15 second. NAS. Oh, this is great. Hold on. Let me go over to the all-star here. Look at all the correct. Oh, my goodness gracious. There we go. There we go. Maybe a little less. Look at them all go off. Do you see all those alarms? I told you not to take those cells. I just got done calling this. Where's it going to? Gorgeous. Oh, we had free money on the line. We did. We had free money. Look at all those. Look at all these alerts coming in. Wow. You're welcome on those buys. Wow. Close out. I would definitely close out. If you have more than 2 trades open, close one down and leave one open. But come on. You're in good money. Told you. Look at all those. Oh, my goodness. Now, what the heck? Hold on a second. I swear. Things are just flying around this morning. Good morning. Oh, we have free money. Free money ES1 to the 10. Really? It's not to the 10-second blue line? It's got to be. Oh, it's just hitting it now. Free money to the 10-second blue line. It's all going to cover. It's all covering. It's all going to turn to green. Watch. Okay, I don't have time. We have to do all these other ones too because I didn't do them last couple days. All right, am I even live? Hold on, I'm getting out of hand. Everything's bouncing around. Congratulations. We had about, 5 or 6 people buy over the weekend. All right. 22 watching and 7 thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave YouTube. Ain't no way in fucking hell that's all the thumbs up we have. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. back up again. Buy, stop. Here's your take profit right there. This is for ES1. Now let's try it again. You guys should be able to see it. Oh, good. It's a nice pullback. This is gorgeous. Hold on. Yeah, this is gorgeous. SPX buy stop to the 10-second blue line. This is picture perfect right here. Yeah, you guys can see again. Take hold on now. Buy stop 10-second ES1, SPX, NQ1. This is absolutely freaking perfect. This is called a ricochet. Ricochets are extremely safe. You guys are going to see this hook. This pink thing's going to come up like that. Price action is going to turn back to green and go up, and then price is going to go up here and touch right where I said. This is a 10-second buy stop. Let it do its thing. Take your time. Let me mark up NAS real quick. The same thing on all of them. There's NAS take profit, and then I got to get rid of this. NAS take profit here. Well, this is really nice though. I didn't know today was Free Money Friday. I guess it's Free Money Mondays. Oh, yeah, free money. Free money NAS, NQ1, SPX. Nice. All right, to the 15-second blue lines now. Hold on, let me see that. Why don't I see any messages on YouTube? Oh, fuck me, really? Yeah. Let me. Why is it not showing? Is it not showing again? No, it's showing on mine. Hold on. Let me refresh. Oh my! I can't even wake up and compute. This fucking laptop's a beast. There it is. I had to refresh. You might have to refresh. All right, sevens. If you guys can see me okay on YouTube, I know TikTok can. Oh. 30-second. No shit. Hold on. Oh, it's above it. That doesn't count. Yeah, we'll hold. You'll see pink cross blue. You're going to see this turn to red right here. This will hook down a little bit more. It'll go like that. Price action should hopefully come down a little bit more. We can get a better entry. And then it will hook like that. You'll see a little something like that. And then you'll see price action go from going down to back up like that. And then you're going to see this thing hook and come up. The most important indicator in the history of the world. It saves you from entering in bad trades. And it shows you to go good. And it's going to go right up to, well, right where it's going right now. And that'll be your buy stop, 15-second. Nice. Oh, man. I'm tired. Seven's good. Delayed stream is delayed. Yeah, no shit. The delayed stream on YouTube is really delayed. Yeah, the TikTok has a way better stream, way faster with the volume and the sound, and there's no delay, or very, very little delay. Why YouTube delays it so much, I don't know. I don't have a clue. Okay, I gotta go. So I have to get to these other symbols. Does anyone have any questions before I go on to the other symbols? These are 15-second buys. Well, 10, like 30, but 15-second buy stops across the board. Oh, why am I here? Hold on. Where am I at? TikTok. There we go. Gorgeous. Okay. So I'm going to go on. Did I say anything? Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Tits. I'm about to call out. Oh, come on, really? Look at the little thing. I just love that little thing. The Keith bot, Uno Reverse Keith bot, by the way, in honor of our great coder Keith. All right, I have to roll and do the other 50, 60 symbols we trade. I just want to sit here and wait, though. Pink crossed. Purple's up next. Let's wait a second, see if we can't get that to roll. If not, someone tell me when we go up past the 5-second blue lines again. We might have to wait for that. I ain't got time. Kev, do I email you questions as I go through the videos and lessons that was sent? Fuck no, Sam. Absolutely. Holy fucking shit. Okay. You guys are forcing me to wake up. Okay. Everybody answer Sam that question. What the fuck? Yeah, no, that's a huge ass no. No. If you need help before emailing us, Jesus, Mary and Joseph, the worst thing you can do, Sam, is email me your questions. You'll be regretting that really quick. If you need help, go to your rules. If you need help, go to the Scored Learning Room. If you need help, go to your YouTube channel. If you need help, attend one of my advanced training sessions, which is usually when I have to take that. I don't do it anymore. If you need help, you can ask questions on the daily lives. If you need help, Google is your friend. If you need help, go to your initial training video. And I don't think you even had your initial training video. If you did, rewatch it 50 times a week for a month. If you need help and all that else fails, then you email us a question. Do not ever email me or my wife, Bree, my beautiful wife, Bree, a question, ever. And then if you must email us a question, we have hundreds and hundreds of members. Do not waste my time with a question when you can find the answer to your questions on all my training videos. Let me give you a hint, Sam. If you go over here and you rewatch the playlist training videos, you will never ask me a question because you'll be able to figure out every answer for yourself. And that's what the fuck you need to do. You need to figure out the answers for your fucking self. Hope I'm clear on that. And this is your playlist. Watch these videos. Watch them all, and you will have no fucking questions for me. 7s, if I'm clear, you do not email me or Bree for any reason unless it's you can't find it for yourself after a month of looking, and then email me a questions. Larry Cooper says emailing you is the very last thing. What's up, Kaya? Larry gets a award for that answer. Thank you, Larry. We're going to pin his message. There you go. Thank you, Larry, for answering the questions. And that was the 7s for everybody. Okay, there you go. All right, now I got to go. Stop. I have to get to the other symbols. I have to. It's going to go right back. There you are. There's your SPX. SPX touchdown to the blue line. Did exactly as I said. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Gee, could I have drawn it out any better? Why am I not hearing my alerts? Look, if you add it right there, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Just perfection. Exactly as I drew. Told you the pink line was coming up next. There it is. Why am I not hearing my alerts? What the fuck? That shit better not be fucking around again. Oh, I'm so tired this morning. There it is. ES1. I'll do my own damn things. ES1 to the blue line. Touchdown as I called out and drew out for you. Touchdown. Hit the blue line. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken dinner. We have a winner. If you come over to here. SPX to the blue line. Boom. There it is. Doing it in front of, see how it turned, went back in. There you go. What the fuck? They all got clogged up or something? Look at them all the alerts going off. Told you where it was going. Told you. Easy money this morning called free money giveaway. Boom, you'd have got in here. Up. There it is. Exactly to the blue line. As I drew out, boom, 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 boom. Say yes. Say thank you, God. Say sevens for that correct call on SPX and ES1. And by the way, it's going to do the exact same thing on NQ1. Yep, you still have time for NQ1. I don't care how low it goes. All I care about is you follow the rules on the way in and you can't mess it up. You will make money on this trade. You'll be in when you're supposed to be in. You'll make money. Don't be a greedy pig. Pigs get slaughtered, and that's where it's going. Free money giveaway. Free money giveaway. NAS 100 to its 5-second, 10-second, 15-second blue line. Free money giveaway. Love the trade. NQ1 to the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second blue line. Just be patient. Now, I have to go. We already had 100% hit on SPX and ES1, but I got to go to these other symbols. Sorry, peeps. I got to move on. All right. I showed you exactly what it was going to do. Drew it out for you. It did exactly as I drew out. Okay. Good morning, Tarai Edwards. Only 2 people. See, I'm really getting disappointed. All right. This is what I'm going to tell y'all. You guys have, there you go. Touchdown ES1, touchdown ES1 to the blue line, SPX to the blue line. You're in the money on NAS, you're in the money on EQ1. Look at it go up for your eyes. You have until I'm done with this song. There it goes up, there it goes up. Look at all the correct calls coming in, flooding in. Look at all the correct calls, one after the other, one after the other. Touchdown, touchdown. There it is, peeps. Exactly as I drew. I told you had time for NAS. I told you had time for NQ. I told you, again, throw up sevens, throw up, look this shit. Look at this shit. You're talking about 7-8 pips, pretty much what a professional trader gets in a day. I did for you in seconds. Throw up yeses and thank gods and emojis. Whatever you want to do, I expect way more than 20 thumbs up by the time this is done. Say yeses and thank gods. Look what it just did for you. Look at all those alerts. Look at all those. There was over 10 correct calls right there. Look. Holy shit. How much better can you guys ask for? Drawing it out. Look at the little drawing. That's pretty fucking close. Look, that's pretty fucking close. Damn straight it is. Look at it. Drew it out in orange. That's what it did. Told you. Good morning here, Piggy. Told you fucking so. Good morning. They all filled in the green as I said they would. Look, I'm so glad because I don't want to deal with any downs today. Oh, shit. I was kind of hoping this would wait till the market open. Okay, I got to call the other symbols. Are we happy? Everybody happy on TikTok? Everybody happy on YouTube? You're welcome, user 6240. Make sure you thank God. Thank you. Thank God. It's my time. Yes, try Edwards. Good morning, user 6240. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. D Brokers. Good morning, D Brokers. What's up, Tarson Black? Good morning. All right, and there we go. Tell me that this did not. Who the fuck here? Again, I'm going to pause. I have to get to those other symbols. Look where we at. NAS. Look at this perfectly buy stop. Look at the perfect fucking buy stop. Green, red, green, buy stop all the way up. This is NAS. Look at the perfect buy stop and NQ. Green, red, green, buy stop up to the blue line. Look at the perfect buy stop to the blue line. Green, red, green, buy stop to the blue line. ES1, green, red, green, buy stop to the blue line. All of them perfect. Oh, but I don't know if your system works, and I don't know. There could be no more doubters. That there should shut the fuck up, every last one of you people who don't believe. And there's nothing to believe in the Tooth Fairy or Santa Claus. This is the real fucking deal. Pink cross the blue, green, red, green, buy stop to the blue line. I taught it to every one of you who have purchased the system. Good morning, Johnny Green. Look at this shit. Now, who here would like to say they doubt what they just saw with their own eyes? Who here would like to claim to be an insane person? Who here would like to say, oh, no, it could be any time when there's a buy and a sell? Who was that moron that said that? Who was the dumbass that said that last week? Oh, there could be a buy and a sell anywhere, blah, blah. So I pulled out the robot, showed him exactly where there's only buys, told you this morning and drew it out for you this morning. But yeah, there could be buys and sells. As I'm telling you what the fuck to do. Oh, well, there could be a buy stop in there. No, there can't. I told you, don't play the fucking sells, only play the fucking buys. And I drew it out for you, told you what it was going to do, and it did it. Don't give me no more fucking shit about, oh, it could be this, it could be that. Get the fuck out of here. Just leave my channel if you don't believe your own eyes and you want to live in your own fantasy world, then leave. I don't fucking care if you stay. I have a core group of people who are the most amazing members and safety traders that you could possibly ever ask for. Oh, shit. Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. Do I have more left? Hold on. Am I sold out? Oh, shit. Oh, good. I updated it. Woo! Yeah, we sold out over the weekend. Let's go to safetytrade.com, buy the system. It's step by step what to do. You too will learn how to draw this out. Draw your little trade out. You can learn to trade and become consistently profitable. I know deep down in your heart, you're like, oh my God, I suck at trading. I can't do it. I'm a scared trader. I get in and out of trades. I barely make any money. I can't do it. The broke clocks were more right than I am. I've been there. I know that feeling. But you can learn to trade. Look at all the people in blue on YouTube. They all have a wrench next to their name. Those are all people who bought my system and been with me more than 1 year. Some have been with me 4 years. Yeah, they need to take away Evander Holyfield's nickname and give me the real deal. Grand Rising, Flacco. Good morning, Johnny Green and Tarai Edwards and Michelle and Flacco. Buy the system. Tell your friends to buy the system. Buy the system for your family members. Quit giving them shitty ass gifts that they're going to throw away. Instead of buying your wife flowers or your husband a tie or a power tool, why don't you buy your wife the safety trade system and teach her how to trade? Why don't you buy your husband the safety trade system and teach him how to trade? You can teach your husband how to trade. Yeah, you can. And what happens is you become a better trader and then they'll be able to make money on the side. And then your family can flourish. Why don't you teach your children how to trade? What if you have an 18-year-old child and you taught them how to trade and it took them 3 years till they were 21 to master the safety? It never would. They'll be smarter than you and catch on faster than any of you would. Or how about this? How about you teach a 15-year-old how to trade so when they turn 18, can you imagine the power? What if some of you weren't lazy motherfuckers? What if some of you actually cared? And what if, okay, can't even spell the word if, that's how dumb I am. You actually taught your child, 15-year-old, right, for 3 years how to use the safety trade system. You answer these questions. Would they master it in 3? They'll be so fucking smart they master it faster than you. Would they master it in 3 years? Yes or no? And I don't care about the money we're making right now. I don't care. Answer the fucking question. Answer the fucking question. What if you actually taught your 15-year-old child for 3 years how to use a safety trade system? Would they master it in 3 years? Yes or no? Answer the fucking question. Old School Mix said yes. One person on TikTok. All right, TikTokers, you're going to go, and I'm going to fucking take you off of YouTube. And I better have a lot more thumbs up by the time I'm done with this explanation. Good morning, Kim. Thank you for being here, Kim. Yes or no, would they fucking master the system if you taught a 15-year-old how to use a safe trade system. Will they master it in 3 years? Yes or no? 3 fucking years? You can master anything in 3 fucking years. Anyone can master anything. And if you said no, then you must really think not highly of your child. The average 15-year-old, you teach them the system for 3 years, they'll fucking know it. Okay? Now watch. Now listen. Listen to this. Would they master in 3 years? Of course. Probably 6 months to a year. Let's be honest. You guys take a long time because you're old, not very, it takes a lot longer to teach an old dog new tricks. Sorry. Okay? Which means at 18, they can be what? Making a few hundred demo dollars a week. B, be financially independent. Something like that. C, be richer than okay, or D, all the above. D, all of the above. Go ahead. Let's hear. Let's just see. Let's pull this up for you guys so we can get this up here. And let's move this up here. Now listen to me. This is more important than what you guys realize what you're answering. So is the answer A, B, C, or D? Go ahead. Take your time and answer this question. Give me an actual fucking answer. Would your children learn the system, or any child that's 15 years old? And would they be making a few hundred demo? I can't even spell hundred, sorry. My spelling, I don't ever claim to be a good speller. I don't ever claim to be a good trader, but I can tell you that I'm a better trader than I am speller. I think I spelled independent wrong too, but whatever. Okay, CV's jumping ahead. Okay, so watch. Now listen to this. Listen to this. CV's kind of on the right track, but doesn't understand it. Okay? Listen. All of you are 15. Boom. So what if, my big ass fingers, you're 58? In 3 years, you'll be 61. And D applies to you too. Listen, it doesn't matter if you're 30 going on to be 33 in 3 years. It doesn't matter if you're 50 going to be 53. It doesn't matter if you're 80 going to be 83. It doesn't matter if your wife is 37 going to be 40. It doesn't matter if your husband is 28 and going to be 31. In 3 years, be making a few hundred demo dollars a week, be financially independent, be richer than F, all the above. It all applies to you, CV. It applies to each and every one of you listening. Does that turn on an aha light to any of you? Does any of you catch on to the fact that you're 15? That eventually you're going to turn 18? That eventually 3 years later from now, And I can tell you right now in our rules, it says that if you teach 5 people the system, you become a master at the system. All of you are putting in all this study time, which is fantastic. What you really need to do is teach it to 5 different people, and you will master the system. You'll speed up your learning process 100-fold, 1,000-fold. Instead of 10,000 hours, you need about 5, and I can give you absolute most would be 10. If you teach the system to 5 or 10 people, you don't have to wait 3 years. If you teach the system, I'll stick with 5. To 5 people, you will master the system because you'll never teach them wrong. Once the wrong thing happens, you go, oh yeah, we're supposed to do this. By helping others, you help yourself. Okay? Master it after 10,000 hours, right? Or teach it to 5 or 10 others. Help others, helps yourself. I haven't done this lesson in a long time. Is this making sense to anyone here? Anyone at all? Is this getting through to any of you? Gosh, I still have not done my effing, god dang, I'm running out of time. Fuck, I'll have to do it tomorrow. Fuck. Is this getting through to any of you, yes or no? How many of you here have actually taught it to 10 people? Has anyone here taught it to 10 people, yes or no? Let's go. Let's get some truthful answers here. Has anyone here taught it to 10 people, yes or no? Crash, I'm actually talking to you. Because if you can start teaching it to other people, you will be shocked. I sent your system 2 or 3 trusted people. Nice. Did you teach them how to use it, Menike? No. Michelle Glowinski, no. 3 people, Kim. You're well on your way. Kirk Brown, 2. Only 3, said Mr. Gold. But Mr. Gold's already making money. They all think I'm crazy, Crash. Well, that's fine. Teach them anyways. Teach somebody off the street. Teach somebody that you just met. Teach somebody. So what if they think you're crazy? Isn't it nice? You don't give 2 fucks. They won't listen to you what Crash is saying, but they will. If you just sit there and say, hey, give me 5 minutes of your time. Give me 10 minutes of your time. And get them into it. Teach them, because we have children learning this. You know, the green, you can use my little computer animation thing with the little buy stop person. Too new to. Nope. Sam UK, you're 100% wrong. That's an excuse. I've been trying to get everyone to learn. It's crazy. No one will put in the effort, even after seeing me make money. Isn't that crazy? Persistent. I know. I will have the last laugh, though. You will, Crash. And help others. Rest or chill. I agree. People are lazy as fuck. No one wants to put in the work. I showed the system, I won't say their names, to 2 20-year-olds. They were my best friends. Well, my wife's my best friend, but my secondary best friends. 2 children, a boy and a girl. At the time, one had just started working for $70,000 a year in New York City. The other one was stay at home. I showed them the system when it first came out. We happened to visit in New York City about 4 or 5 years ago. And I showed them the system, both of them. They started to fall asleep. You're talking about 23-year-old probably and a 24-year-old, something like that. 21 maybe and 23, somewhere around there. Early 20s. One didn't have a job, the female. Super sweet, kind person. Couldn't keep her attention for 5 seconds. The other one is an accountant, mind you, making $70,000 a year in New York City, thought that was good money. I made $70,000 that month. right? And then he's just trading, just using the system, sorry. And can't say trading, demo trade only. And neither of them, if they had mastered the system, they'd both be so independently wealthy right now, they would be retired. They could make so much money they never have to work again. But no, the one young boy is making $80,000 a year and thrilled by it. And the one girl still unemployed, staying at home with no money. I showed them the system over, well, it's 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago. So they could have learned the system 4 to 5 years ago, been retired, have no money issues whatsoever. And they chose not to listen. Okay? So I understand. But the only way, let me get to the point of being real about this. If you guys really want to master it, then you can come in, call in on the show live when I open it up to that, and you can teach everyone about, you got about, depending on the video you're watching, somewhere about 1,000 to 2,000 people or more. I've had some videos that have 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 views on it. Let's just say on average, about 1,000 to 2,000 people will watch this video. Nice. I hope she stuck with it here, Piggy Piggy. I do recall that. I hope she's still doing it. So if anybody wants to master it and you want to call in and teach it one morning, you want to see your balls grow, you want to see your womanhood and manhood come into play, this is what I'm opening up for all of you here. Listen to what, I don't care. I don't care if you have the system or don't have the system. This will get you to teach. Now, it has to be an American call. It has to be American come in. I'm opening up. I will open up my live to anyone who wants to teach it. Does anyone get what I'm doing here? You can call in when I open it up. American number only. I don't care. American phone numbers only. Sorry, I'm not dealing with any of that WhatsApp shit. I ain't doing it. And teach the system. And teach the system. Okay? Each time you call in will count as one teaching session. But the problem comes in, you will need to teach it dozens of times, because this doesn't count. You need to actually teach someone over and over again. You see the difference? Okay, but that'll give you a good start for you, because it takes a lot of balls to come on here live every day. You all know how hard it is to trade by yourselves. Try trading for thousands of people. Go ahead. So if you make a mistake, everyone will know. Started her with a demo account of 500. How's she doing right now here, Piggy Piggy? Did she grow it? She probably, first of all, she probably blew it, because everyone blows their first account. So unless you're really strict and follow the rules, I mean, it's virtually impossible for you not to blow an account. I mean, I know of people who have not blown accounts. They started off and made money, but that's highly, highly unusual. Oh, shoot, fire. I didn't put under pictures. Now, dang it. Hold on, let me get back into here. Hold on. Date modified. There it is. Oh, sorry, guys. Give me a second here. Teach it to master it. Copy. Pictures. Paste. Okay. Now we're good. Now. Great morning to you, Grant. Good morning, Grant. Now, is anyone listening right now willing to call in to teach it to others live? Yes or no? She started with micro and gold, currently 3,000. Nice. She only takes weekly daily buy. Well, here, Piggy, you taught her the flawless system. She cannot lose on those trades. Very, very proud of you. Thank you for doing that. Yay. Standing ovation for here, Piggy. Yay. For them to teach. Do you guys understand? That if you guys can come on the live and teach, oh, you're going to. Can't at work driving. Not that you can't. No, it's Sam K. You're completely. Good morning, Ken Rose. What's up, Ken? Thank you, Ken. Good morning, Ken. Sam's missing, or she. I don't know. Remember if Sam's a he. I think it is. If Sam K is missing the point, it's not once you learn, you come on to teach to learn. Nice. All right. Now, how many people have hit the thumbs up? Because if we're still at 20 something, I'm out the door on YouTube. 25. Okay. All right. This is your warning. Everybody on YouTube, there's 51 of you. Hell, there's 55 of you. I'm going to need high 30s, if not 40s. Otherwise, I'm leaving. And how much time do you have? This much time. By the end of this song right here. Here we go. Once this is over with, if YouTube does not have more than 35 to 40 thumbs up, I'm out the door. And we're about to trade market open. Loaded. I can't turn it up this morning. Look at the 15 seconds. Oh my gosh. Did everyone catch the 15-second buy stop that I called out? Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I still. This is over. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Head and shoulders, Fibonacci. Look at your 10 minutes. All 10-minute take profits for NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 have hit. All take profits. All take profits have been hit. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy, stop. Green, 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 red. Green, 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 red. Green, 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 red. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. There is still some more free money on ES1. Okay, your time is up. If I don't have the number of thumbs up I need, no offense to anyone on YouTube, but I got to go. I'll be over on TikTok only. And there you go. This thing better be somewhere in the high 30s. 36. Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. Good morning, Keith. The great Keith Palmer, the man who creates each and every one of these amazing indicators, is blessing us this morning. Everyone, please say hi to Keith. What's up, Keith? Sup, buddy? You want to talk for a minute after the live here? I got till about 10, so from about 9:30 to 10 I can talk if you want. Shoot me over a message if you want to. 37 thumbs up. CV. Yeah, you guys are, I'll stay. Everyone say good morning to Keith. I ask your blessings for Keith and for my beautiful wife, Bree. And of course, me and the Safety Trade family. But especially blessings for Keith. And please say good morning to him and thank him for all the hard work that he does for us. He's the one that's coding that Bree bought something else. Surprised he hasn't broken his balls yet, but he's getting there. We're getting there. Keith, I don't think I even had a chance to tell you this. Keith, what does this say right here? I don't think I even told him yet. Keith, do you see this? And I need him. I know I didn't because I have a note right here. Keith needs to update it for everyone. Keith has the Uno Reverse Keith bot, named in honor of the great Keith Palmer. We do have to update the original code that goes out to everybody, Keith, so they see it too. And it's also already been changed on the PDF. Yay, everyone's thanking Keith. Keith is in the house. I don't know if he's still here. Sometimes Keith pops on and he goes and does coding and stuff. That man loves the code. Holy shit. Let me see if I can contact him through here. Oh, there he is. Okay, he said, yo, are you live? I am. But will be off at 9:30. Well, 9:31. Want to talk then? Do you see the screen right now? And by the way, the indicators, for the signals, the Hydra is named out of Keith's. He had his own trading program for a while there. Keith said, woohoo. There it is. Now he sees it. Uno Reverse Keith bot. Yep. For all of eternity. Because Keith, you know as well as I do, deep down in our hearts, this will be taught at middle school, high school, and college level. Probably master's and doctorate too. There she blows. A little Keith bot. Little Keithinator. Maybe we should call it the Keithinator. That would be cool. I usually call Keith the Keithinator. Well, not usually. I call him Monster, but we can't call it the Monster bot. That wouldn't be very specific. I call two people in the world Monster. I call Chris Smith, one of my really, 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 really good friends from back in the gym days when we were running gyms together. And then Keith. I don't know why I call Keith Monster. Chris is 6'3" and 200. Well, he's 300 pounds with abs. Now Keith is like, you're taller than 6'3", Keith. I don't give a fuck what you say. Keith's got to be like 6'4", 6'5", but nowhere near the same build. No offense, Keith, but no. Keith is Chris is a living embodiment of a monster. Matter of fact, Chris and I got K-Ro, Chris, and a couple other dudes from the gym. Oh my God. If I ever need anything enforced, K-Ro is not as ripped, but as big as Chris. Brandon, his brother, is 6'5" or 6", and not quite as built as Chris, but still about 240. What's his face? The other one. Oh my God, those guys would do anything for me. Anything. So if anyone ever gets too much out of hand, I have to say, and I'm not small. I'm about 6 foot, about 5'11", and then I'm way about, depending, about 200, 210. I used to be 250. But Chris, holy shit. And I call K-Ro, I call Brandon. The only one I call Monster is Chris Smith and then Keith. I don't know why that is. Calagula, thank you for being here. All right, how much time we have left? We have a few minutes. I am not going to make it through the symbols this morning. I was desperately trying, Keith, from 8:35 or whatever to get through the symbols. One thing led to another, and no. I guess tomorrow morning I'll do my best to call them out. The Keith bot, I'm so happy. Yeah, I didn't think Keith even knew that because we haven't talked in a few days. So I changed that. Shit, Keith. I changed that last week. Look at all the money. You guys just keep. It has to pull back. Our only hope, which one was it I saw that we might get a pullback on? It ain't happening. No. We need some kind of artificial pullback. Okay, for open, to be specific to you. We're going to need to see. Yeah, we ain't going to see it. Fuck. Market open in 7 minutes. All right, on the 5 second. Tell me if you guys see it on any of the symbols. We're going to need this little hook, right? Like, we're going to have, I can't get you into the trade if we don't have it. So if we don't have that hook back on, I'll take any symbol. I'm throwing out NAS here, but I'll take it on NQ, SPX, ES1, YM1, or US30. Otherwise, there's just no, I can't get you in. It's already gone up too much. Does the demo only signals work for demo? But I was wondering if I can get it to work. Well, yeah, Calagula. All you do is you take your demo signals and copy trade them. You get the alert. You can place your signals on anything you want. Demo, live, I don't care. You can put it in funded traders. You can get whatever you want to do with it. You can trade Nadex. You can trade anything. Nice. Yard Dog. Yard Dog stalked me for a while. Yay, Yard Dog. Looking to buy the crypto safety traces. Oh, nice. You're going to buy the crypto version. Nice. I personally would get the full-on version, but you can't go wrong with the crypto or the gold. They're fantastic. We have 6 minutes, a little less than 6 minutes to market open. Congratulations to Yard Dog. Super smart decision. Oops, I keep hitting that thing over there on TikTok. I'm going to have to go immediately after the open, so I'm not going to stay on that probably even more than a minute unless I got some kind of movement in there. What? There's a subscription? Whatever. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Yeah, I agree with Adam Knapp. Great move, Yard Dog. I agree with that. So, Calagula, you can use my system on demo, right? And you can use the signals on demo, and then you can trade. You just do a manual or a copy trade over to anything you want to trade with. Any Tradevite, Thinkorswim, Nadex, Pepperstone, Eagle FX, even though it's called Longhorn or some stupid shit. Any one of those, feel free. We're getting a nice pullback on the 5 second here. NAS buy stop 5 second, but it's got to stay for the next 3 minutes. I doubt it will. Good morning, Arginus. Yay. We're about to trade market open. If I can get you in, I will get you in. Still a little light on the thumbs up this morning. I'm not really thrilled with that, but I'll stay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. I mean, look at TikTok. TikTok's at 25 people. I don't have anything even going over there. All right, we do have a buy stop right now. I love this pullback right here on NAS. It did what I wanted, so let's go ahead and put in a take profit right here at open, or before probably. That's your NASs. And add an alert, and then we're going to go to NQ. 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to... Yeah, this is gorgeous. Should already be in the trade, however. This is NQ. Love the trade. This is a buy stop. 5 second, it will go to the blue line. Who will even trade? Remember the dingy doy that was here? Oh, God. Oh. SPX, all in the money, all correct. This is ES1. Oh, we have time. We have little time. ES1, not much. Let me see that NAS again. Oh, yeah. You have tons of time on NAS and NQ1 to take profits. Demo trade only. NQ1. Oh, shit. NAS, shit. We're already doing... Oh, look. NAS, boom, before market open. Look at it go up. As I'm putting in to take profits, look at it go up. Look at what it did. As I, boom, right to the orange line. See all your alerts coming in I just put in? Look at them all. Ding, ding, ding. Correct. They usually make on average 50 to 100 correct calls when I'm calling the mornings. Look at that. Right to the orange line. Pink cross blue, green. There it is to the orange. Pop. Now, if it pulls back again, we'll do it again. Oh, that was fun. Let me see why I'm one US 30s. Ooh. US 30. Oh, nice. To the 5 second. Hold on. Let me see something here. Stick with NAS for your buy. Yeah, NAS is going to fall too. Okay, just chill for a minute. This is good. Let this pull back a little bit more. I'll make some more calls on this. I'm looking for a buy, stop at open. If it dips and goes down further, we'll look at the 12. Just remember this. 30-minute, I'll change it to 1 hour. 1 hour buy stops for all indices. Market open in a minute, and I have to go really fast after this. So whether it shoots up here right now, I can care less. Buy stop, NAS at market open. 5 second buy stop. We're going to sit right here. I'm going to move this a little out of the way. Follow it down as it goes down. Pink will cross the blue right here. When it does, that'll be the bottom of what we need to see. Then you'll see it go up if we can get it. Let me see what NQ's doing. Same thing for NQ. NQ1, 5 second buy stop, 15 second buy stop. Actually, I like the 15 second better, but we'll stay here. SPX. Too deep. 30 second buy stop SPX. Let me see. ES1. This is nice. Okay, I got to put in at least these right here. This is it's pulling down fantastic. Just keep holding it. Do not trade market open. Demo trade. There it is. You're in the money on SPX. Sell. You're in the money on ES1. Sell. You're in the money on ES1. Sell. Let me see NQ1. Oh, shit. You're in so much money on NQ1 and NAS. Holy shit. Oh, my God. Look at the buy stops. Oh, my God. I blew up TradingView. It couldn't keep up. Oh, my gosh. Look at it go up. Oh, my. Sell. Take your money and get out. Take your money and get out. There's no reason to stay in here. Okay, I got to go. Buy on TikTok. Don't forget to go over to Get the System. Oh my gosh, that was gorgeous. What an open. Holy shit. There you go. Come over to safetytrade.com. Buy the system right there. TikTokers got to go. Boy, that was easy. Hold on. There we go. And then we'll turn that off. Well, I hope you all had some demo money made on that. That was the easiest fucking thing ever. All right, where are we at? All right, God bless you all on YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch. There you go. Nice. Hope you all are thanking God. That was fun. That was easy. All right. God bless, guys. I won't be on later today, 99% sure. It'll be maybe tomorrow morning, Lord willing.